begin by using the Cricut True Brushed paper. This will be for the top and the bottom of your shadow box. And we're going to pair this with the Cricut Deluxe paper. This will be for the background of the shadow box as well. So we're going to measure this to make sure it fits the backboard of the shadow box. I use my Cricut cutter to cut it perfectly, and since it's 12 by 12 and my shadow box is larger than that, I am using the red brushed paper for the top and bottom. And then I use this Craft Bond fabric glue to glue it all down. We're going to use some Scrabble tiles. You can find these on Amazon, or you can make them with your Cricut, but I just found it easier to get pre-made ones. They were super cheap. I got 3 packs so I could make sure I did not run out of any letters, and I glued them down with the Craft Bond fabric glue. Next, I used the Cricut Mixed Materials pack, and this pack was a really pretty green cardstock, 2 colors. And then we're also going to be using the red again from the True Brushed pack. And all 3 of these will be used to make the paper holly. So you'll cut them down to size to make sure they fit on your Cricut Joy mat if you're using a Cricut Joy. I used my spatula tool, the Cricut Joy one, to remove it from the mat if it gets a little too difficult. I like to bend the mat versus the cardstock when removing the items so that way the items aren't curled. Okay, so these vines are a little bit too long, so you'll just cut about a 1/2 inch off of them. You can experiment with this and make it as you'd please, but I just cut, like I said, like a 1/2 inch off to use those. So then you'll piece everything together, and again I'm using the Craft Bond fabric glue, and it's paper and fabric glue, by the way. Put all these pieces together to make your adorable holly, and the white glue you see, it will dry. So I just put the glue right on the outside of my shadow box. If you'd prefer, you can use like Velcro so that way you can remove those. And then if you want to really make your shadow box unique, you can use the Smart Vinyl Permanent. This is the silver shimmer, and I believe I'll be using the red shimmer as well. And this is to make the snowflakes. You can also use it to add "'Tis the Season" on the bottom, or any other saying that you'd like. And then I used the Strong Grip transfer tape because it works great with the glitter vinyl. Now you can hang your shadow box on the wall, or put it on a shelf, or give it as a gift. It is a fun and easy Cricut Christmas craft to do for the holidays, and it's something fun you can do with kids or family. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.